First up, protect your eyes with the DPG82 Concealer Safety Glasses. These aren't your standard specs. They feature a dual-mold rubber seal that blocks dust and debris from every angle. The hard-coated lens resists scratching while the anti-fog coating keeps your vision crystal clear in humid conditions. They offer the comfort of glasses with the protection of a goggle, making them a job site essential. Reaching high hedges without a ladder is a game-changer with the DCMP H566 pole hedge trimmer. It features a 22-inch hardened steel laser cut blade that slices through branches up to 1 inch thick effortlessly. The coolest part is the 7-position articulating head, allowing you to trim at virtually any angle for a professional finish. It's part of the 20V Max system, giving you cordless freedom to tame the tallest landscaping. DeWalt is revolutionizing commercial mowing with the all-electric Ascent series. These zero-turn beasts feature crossover technology, letting you switch from a standing to a seated position in seconds. Powered by the high-capacity power-equipped battery ecosystem, they deliver gas-like power without the noise or fumes. It's a total game-changer for landscaping crews looking to future-proof their fleet. Turn your existing DeWalt batteries into a massive power bank with this 2-port mobile USB charger. It slides right onto any 20V or FlexVolt battery, giving you 2 USB outlets to charge your phone or tablet on the go. It's incredibly compact, making it perfect for the job site, camping, or power outages. Never worry about a dead phone again as long as you have your drill battery nearby. Cut the cord without losing an ounce of power using the DHS780 FlexVolt miter saw. This 12-inch double-bevel sliding saw runs on 2 60V batteries to deliver 120 Vi power, matching the performance of a corded tool. It offers massive cross-cut capacity and the cutline blade positioning system for shadow-perfect accuracy. It's the ultimate solution for heavy-duty framing and finish work anywhere on the site. Electricians, say goodbye to your hammer with the 20V Max cordless cable stapler. This tool drives staples into wood twice as fast as manual installation, saving your wrist from fatigue. It features an integrated cable guide to ensure you never nick the wire, firing perfectly over Romex every time. With a compact design and bright LED light, it dominates tight spaces like attics and crawl spaces. The DCB 1800B portable power station is a beast that turns your batteries into a wall outlet. It takes 4 20V Max batteries and outputs 1800 watts of continuous AC power to run corded tools or charge electronics. It also works in reverse as a multi-port charger when plugged into an outlet, topping up all 4 batteries at once. It's quiet, emission-free power for remote sites or tailgating. Don't let the size fool you. The DCF 90212V Max Extreme Impact Wrench packs a serious punch. It's designed for tight spaces where big guns can't fit, yet it delivers enough torque to bust stubborn bolts loose. The brushless motor ensures long runtime and durability, while the 3-weight-inch drive makes it versatile for automotive work. It's the perfect pocket-sized powerhouse for mechanics. Visibility is everything, and the DeWalt green laser level is 4 times brighter than standard red lasers. Its rugged, overmolded housing is built to withstand drops in water, ensuring it survives the toughest job sites. The integrated magnetic bracket mounts easily to metal surfaces, giving you precise layout lines instantly. It's the gold standard for framers and tile setters who need accuracy they can actually see. Cut the cord on sanding with the DCW 210 brushless random orbital sander. It offers variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, letting you match the power to the application. The low-profile design gets you closer to the work surface for better control, and the dust-sealed switch ensures longevity. It connects directly to dust extractors, keeping your workspace clean while you smooth things out. Keep the music going without blocking out the job site using the DeWalt Wearable Bluetooth speaker. This neck-mounted speaker creates a personal sound zone, allowing you to hear your tunes and your surroundings simultaneously. It features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, so you never have to stop working to answer the phone. It's super lightweight and comfortable enough to wear all day long. Frustration ends now with the DeWalt lighted locking extension cord. The connector end locks your tool's plug in place, ensuring you never accidentally unplug your saw in the middle of a cut. The lighted end serves as a quick visual indicator that power is running to the cord. It's a simple, heavy-duty upgrade that solves one of the most annoying job site problems. Protect your valuable gear with the DeWalt Mobile Lock, a portable alarm system with real-time tracking. It uses cellular GPS to track location and features sensors for vibration, tilt, and tamper detection. If someone moves your toolbox or trailer, you get an instant alert to your phone, and a siren can trigger to scare them off. It's peace of mind for your most expensive assets. Keep your shop air breathable with the DeWalt Suspended Air Filtration System. It quietly scrubs the air of fine dust particles that your dust collector misses, crucial for long-term health. You can mount it to the ceiling and control it with a remote, setting timers to run after you leave. It's an unsung hero for any woodworker wanting a cleaner, safer workshop. When the heat turns up, the DXF2475 24-inch drum fan moves massive amounts of air to keep you cool. Built with a heavy-duty steel housing and aluminum blades, it's designed to survive knocks and drops in industrial environments. It features large wheels and a handle for easy positioning, tilting to direct airflow exactly where you need it. It's high-velocity cooling built DeWalt tough. Declutter your truck cab with the DeWalt USB to micro to Type-C retractable cable. This single reinforced cable features adapters to charge almost any modern device, retracting into a durable housing when not in use. It's built to withstand the abuse of a job site. Unlike those flimsy gas station cables, throw one in your bag and you're ready to charge anything, anywhere. The ExoCore series takes the primitive axe and upgrades it with high-tech materials. They feature a hollow carbon fiber composite handle that is incredibly light yet stronger than steel where it counts. The scalloped cutting edges are designed to cut deep and release easily from wood, preventing binding. It's a modern, durable take on a classic tool that reduces swing fatigue. Manage your entire tool crib with the DeWalt Tool Connect inventory management system. By attaching tags or using enabled tools, you can track their location and status directly from your smartphone. You can even disable tools remotely if they wander off the job site, rendering them useless to thieves. It's a smart way to protect your investment and keep crews accountable. Haul heavy loads with ease using the DeWalt 10 cubic foot swivel cart. This isn't a standard wheelbarrow. The exclusive swivel dump feature lets you unload material precisely where you need it without tipping the whole cart. It holds up to 1,000 pounds and rides on run-flat tires that never need air. It's the ultimate heavy hauler for landscaping and construction debris. Block out the noise with the JobSite Pro wireless earphones. These neckband-style earbuds are rated for dust and water resistance, making them tough enough for the trade. They offer noise-isolating tips to protect your hearing while delivering high-quality audio for music and calls. With 15 hours of talk time, they last longer than your shift does. Compact but loud, this DeWalt USB-C Bluetooth speaker is designed to go wherever you do. It features a strong magnet and a clip, so you can stick it to a metal stud or hang it from your tool bag. The rugged housing protects it from drops, and it charges quickly via modern USB-C. It's the perfect personal sound system for tight workspaces. Dry floors fast with the DeWalt DXAM2252 Centrifugal Air Mover. This blower directs a high-velocity stream of air across surfaces, perfect for drying paint, drywall mud, or wet carpets. It features 3 speed settings and can be daisy-chained with other units to cover large areas. The multi-position design lets you aim the airflow horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. Dead zones are a thing of the past with the DeWalt JobSite Wi-Fi system. These rugged access points are built to withstand the elements and abuse of an active construction site. They create a mesh network that adapts as the building goes up, ensuring reliable internet for blueprints and communication. It brings the modern connected office to the mud and dust of the field. Take the guesswork out of curing with DeWalt concrete DNA sensors. These wireless sensors are embedded directly into the concrete pour to measure temperature and strength in real time. The data syncs to an app, telling you exactly when the slab has reached the strength to strip forms or walk on. It speeds up schedules and ensures structural integrity with hard data. Charge your phone without fumbling for cables using the DeWalt Fast Wireless Charging Pad. It's built tougher than your average desk charger, designed to survive the dusty, dirty environment of a shop. It supports fast charging standards to juice up your device quickly during a lunch break. Just toss your phone on the pad and get back to work. Reach that extra height safely with the DeWalt 25-inch step stool. This isn't a flimsy kitchen stool. It's a heavy-duty platform with a 300-pound load capacity. The wide, non-slip steps and sturdy legs provide a stable base for working overhead. It's lightweight enough to carry easily, but strong enough to trust with your safety. Climb with confidence on the DeWalt Fiberglass extension ladder. Constructed with non-conductive rails, It's safe for electrical work and built to resist twisting and bowing. The heavy-duty shoes dig into the ground for a solid footing, and the smooth pulley system makes extending it a breeze. It's the reliable, professional-grade ladder every contractor needs on their rack. Stay in touch across the site with DeWalt DXFRS 300 walkie-talkies. These heavy-duty radios are waterproof and shock-resistant, built to survive a fall from a scaffold. They offer ultra-clear long-range communication, ensuring your team is always coordinated. With a non-slip grip and huge battery life, they are essential for large crews. Keep the whole crew charged up with the DeWalt 5-port mobile USB PD charger. Designed for your work truck, it clips to the seat back to provide power to both front and back passengers. It features high-speed power delivery ports to charge laptops and tablets rapidly. It's the ultimate road trip or carpool accessory for gadget-heavy teams. Maintain your vehicle batteries with the DeWalt 4-amp waterproof charger. It's fully sealed against water and dust, making it safe to mount under the hood or use outdoors. It charges 12V batteries and automatically switches to maintenance mode to prevent overcharging. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution for keeping fleet vehicles ready to roll. Precision meets power with the DeWalt 8V Max Gyroscopic Screwdriver. The coolest feature is the motion activation. Simply twist your wrist right to screw and left to unscrew. It's perfect for delicate tasks like cabinet hardware or electronics, where a drill is too aggressive. The adjustable handle allows for pistol grip or inline use, fitting into any tight spot. Get into the tightest corners with the Flex Torque modular right-angle system. The modular design allows you to swap between a compact right angle, a flexible shaft, and a standard bit holder. The gears are rated for impact drivers, so you can drive lag bolts without breaking the tool. It's a problem solver that belongs in every impact driver case. Stop guessing where the stud is with DeWalt's Centerfind Stud Finder. Unlike basic models that only find the edge, this tool pinpoints the exact center of wood and metal studs for a secure hold. It also detects live AC wiring to keep you from drilling into danger. It's fast, accurate, and saves you from turning your wall into Swiss cheese. We've all fought for outlet space, but the DeWalt NeverBlock charger solves that. Its slim design allows you to plug it in without blocking the second outlet. A small but brilliant detail. It offers 2 USB ports to charge your devices while leaving the other socket free for your power tools. It's a smart, rugged charger designed for the real world. Blast away grime with the DeWalt electric pressure washer. Designed for the job site, it features a heavy-duty roll cage to protect the motor during transport. It delivers 2100 psi to strip loose paint or clean heavy machinery, with convenient onboard storage for nozzles and wands. It's powerful cleaning without the hassle of a gas engine. Organize your lumber and pipe with the DeWalt 3-piece wall mount cantilever rack. These heavy-duty steel arms mount to your shop wall and can hold hundreds of pounds of material. The folding design lets you maximize space when the rack isn't in use. It's the strongest way to get your materials off the floor and organized. For the solo pro on the road, the DeWalt 4-port mobile charger provides massive power in a cup-holder-friendly size. It features USB-C power delivery to charge a laptop and phone simultaneously at top speeds. The braided cable and rugged connector are built to last longer than cheap gas station chargers. It ensures your mobile office is always open for business. Plumbers, meet your new best friend. The FlexVolt 60V cordless pipe threader. It threads up to 2-inch black iron pipe with the power of a corded machine but zero tether. The e-clutch system senses binding and stops the tool instantly, protecting you from dangerous kickbacks. It also features a die lock to prevent the pipe from popping out, making a tough job safer and faster. Keep your phone in view and secure with the DeWalt vent mount phone holder. It uses a powerful magnet to hold your device steady, even on bumpy job site roads. The vent clip is reinforced to prevent it from sagging or falling off like cheaper models. It's a simple, rugged way to keep navigation and calls hands-free while driving. Paperwork is unavoidable, so handle it with the DeWalt T-Stack job site clipboard. It's not just a clip. It's a thin storage case compatible with the T-Stack system. The interior protects documents and a tablet from rain and dust, while the exterior offers a sturdy writing surface. It's the perfect mobile desk for foremen and project managers. Light up the entire room with the DeWalt Tool Connect LED area. Light. This cordless lantern blasts 360 degrees of light and can be controlled via the Tool Connect app on your phone. You can turn it on, off, or dim it from the ground without climbing a ladder. It works with 18V batteries, or can be plugged into an extension cord for endless runtime. Never get stranded with a dead battery. thanks to the DeWalt 1600 amp jump starter. It packs enough punch to start V8 engines instantly, all without needing another vehicle. It also features a built-in air compressor to top off tires and USB ports to charge electronics. It's the ultimate roadside companion for your work truck. Slice through metal like butter with the DeWalt Abrasive chop saw. It features a powerful 15-amp motor and a quick-change blade system to keep downtime to a minimum. The heavy-duty steel base provides a solid platform for accurate cuts, while the spark deflector keeps things safe. It's a fabrication shop staple known for reliability and power. Transform your impact driver into a pipe cutter with the DeWalt Impact Connect system. These innovative attachments clip onto your driver and use its rotation to cut through PVC or copper pipe 6x faster than hand tools. It eliminates the repetitive motion of manual cutters, saving your wrists and your time. It's a brilliant way to get more utility out of the tool you already own. The DXAEOBDK is a professional-grade battery charger and maintainer designed for the shop. It offers diagnostic charging to assess battery health and a reconditioning mode to extend battery life. With an 80-amp engine start feature, it can get a car running in minutes. It's serious equipment for serious mechanics. For a truly wire-free experience, grab the DeWalt True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They come in a rugged charging case that protects them from dust and drops. The earbuds fit securely in your ears and offer impressive sound quality and call clarity. They are the ultimate low-profile solution for listening to music safely on the job. Carry your essential hand tools in the DeWalt 20-inch Pro Tool Tote. The open-top design allows for quick access to everything, while the vertical pockets keep tools organized and upright. It features a waterproof base to keep your gear dry when placed on wet ground. The heavy-duty handlebar makes hauling your load comfortable and easy. Pop rivets effortlessly with the DCF 403 20V Max XR rivet tool. It installs aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets up to 3x16 with a single pull. The tool is lightweight and eliminates the need for dragging an air hose around the shop. With onboard nosepiece storage and a mandrel collector, it keeps your workspace tidy and efficient. Finally, unleash your woodworking creativity with the DCW 604 brushless cordless router. It comes with both a fixed and plunge base, offering the versatility of two tools in one. The variable speed control and dual LED lights ensure precision on every pass. It delivers the power of a corded router with the convenience of the 20V Max system. And there you have it, 50 DeWalt tools that prove the yellow and black brand is about way more than just drilling holes. Whether you're in the trade or just love high-quality gear, there's something here to upgrade your game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.